Hello friends, welcome to Ajji's vlog. Hope you are doing great. Today we are at the cherry farm. Here we can pick a lot of pink cherries, white cherries and other cherries too. It looks so yummy and beautiful. We are at the Pommery Farms. It is located at 22501 Marsh Creek Road, Brentwood, California. Here we can pick cherries by ourselves. While picking the cherry, we can taste the cherry and pick the ones we like. Once we are done with picking, we will weigh the picked cherries and pay at the counter. Cherry season runs approximately from mid of May to mid of June. To know the exact season for each crop, take a few moments to look at the website harvestforyou.com. Then plan a visit to the farms in the Brentwood, California's bountiful agriculture region, and celebrate the harvest time. Cherries are filled with antioxidants, phytochemicals, vitamins, nutrition and fiber, all of which can help support a healthy system and may reduce the risk of certain types of cancers. The more sour the cherry, higher amount of anthocyanins. This powerful antioxidant, a type of phytochemical, help your body cells to protect themselves from free radicals and are likely the source of cherries' other health benefits. Cherries also have other two potent antioxidants, hydroxycinnamic acid and peryl alcohol. The phytochemical substance in cherry protects your body against certain enzymes that can lead to inflammation, which can help to reduce arthritis pain. Cherry is high in fiber, which can help with the weight loss by contributing to the feeling of fullness and reducing the spike of insulin and blood sugar. So cherry is a very good fruit for people with diabetics. Next we are going to see peach farm at Brentwood. Here we can pick our own peaches. This farm is inside the Wolf Ranch. It is located at 600 Eureka Avenue, Brentwood, California. These peaches are very tasty and so crispy and yummy. One peach has as much as 250 milligrams of potassium, which helps our bone healthy. Peach has high amount of vitamin E, which helps our skin glow. One medium peach has up to 9% of our daily fiber, which helps proper digestion. One peach has 15% of daily vitamin C, which boosts our immune system. Peaches also contain fluoride, which helps to get rid of the germs in our mouth that can cause cavities. Other key nutrients in peaches helps us to have healthy vision. Peaches help to fight or prevent anemia. Peaches have anti-diabetic and anti-inflammatory effect. Peaches is rich in both magnesium and vitamin B6. It makes our skin glow and clarifies the skin. It also promotes the cleansing of body and detoxifies the body. Peach seeds are used in the production of liquor. August is a National Peach Month. Peaches are also known as Persian apples. Chinese symbol of longevity and immortality is peach. Peach is also termed as fruit of calmness. We picked the peaches and put it in the box. One full box cost only $18. Here are the fruits we picked from the farm. I hope you enjoyed the trip to the farm. Hope you like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.